Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel, English Lessons. In this episode we are going to see other modal verbs of another function, Alright, so let's look at this picture. As you can see here we have a man sleeping on a bench, sleeping on a bench in a garden. Alright, so why do you think this man is sleeping here? Why? Is he homeless? For sure, no. Certainly he is not homeless. Is he tired? Yes, sure. But he is not homeless. In this episode, we are going to see modal verbs of what we call certainty. So we say certain or sure. We say certain or sure. We are sure, we are certain that this man is not homeless. But tired? Yes, we are sure, we are certain, 100% certain he is tired. Yes, he is tired. Now let's see a very simple dialogue between Mark and Brad. Mark, look, that man is sleeping on a bench. This is a bench, That man is sleeping on a bench. Brad, yeah, he must be tired. He must be tired. Now here, as you can see, the modal verb is very simply must, Must be tired, So here, Brad is sure. Brad is 100% sure and certain that the man is tired. Yes, the man is tired. Look at the man. He is tired. Sure. Certainly tired, He must be tired. So the modal verb here is very simply must, So must can be used for certainty, Now here, as you can see, this is affirmative. Why? Very simply because the man is tired. He is tired. Now Brad can also say, for example, he, which means the man, for instance, he can't be homeless. He can't be homeless. Alright, now here again we have another modal verb which is can't. He is not homeless. He is not homeless. So here we are sure he is tired, and here we are sure he is not homeless. So the modal verb is can't. Alright, can't and must, Can't and must. The difference here, must is for, as you can see, affirmative, and can't, as you can see, for negative, For negative. So must is for affirmative and can't is for negative. So for certainty we use can't or must, Now let's do a very simple exercise together, So here we have some sentences and we gonna complete with must or can't for certainty. So all these sentences are about certainty. We complete with must or can't. So as I said, must is for affirmative and can't is negative, but both of them for certainty when we are sure or certain, Sure or certain. Now you can pause, try to complete these sentences alone, then we'll do it together, Okay, now let's go back again. Let's start with number one, He has just had his lunch. He has just had his lunch. He be hungry. Now he has just, somebody who has just had his lunch is hungry. For sure he can't be hungry, He can't be hungry. Why he can't be hungry? Very simply because he has just had his lunch. So very simply he can't be hungry, He can't be hungry. Alright, so we are sure he is not hungry, very simply because here we have a fact, This is can be considered as a fact. This fact makes us sure and certain he is not hungry and he can't be hungry. Number two, he is at school. He is at school. He be studying. He is at school. This is a fact, This is a fact. He is at school. He is at school doing what? Playing sports, playing football, listening to music, watching TV. For sure, he is at school. He is studying. As long as he is at school, he is studying. He must be studying. So here it is must. Why he must be studying? Because he is at school. He is at school. Now suppose if he is, for example, at supermarket. He is at supermarket. He must be studying at supermarket. No, he is at supermarket. He can't be studying. Why he can't be studying? Because he is at the supermarket. But here we have he is at school. He is at school. He must be studying. Yes or no? Yes. Number 3, Mark didn't sleep last night. Mark didn't sleep last night. So this is a fact. This is a fact. He didn't sleep last night. He be sleepy now. Now sleepy. Okay, sleepy. He is sleepy. Sure. 100% sure. He is sleepy. Why? Because last night he didn't sleep. So we are sure. He is sleepy now. So it is affirmative. So what do we say? He must be sleepy now. Why he must be sleepy now? Because last night he didn't sleep. Okay. All right. Number 4. That cafe is always empty. This is a fact. Okay. Empty. What is empty? Which means nobody sits in that cafe. No one. Very, very, very few people sit there. So therefore, this cafe is a good one. Is a good one. For sure, it's not, because it's always empty. Nobody sits there. So it can't be good. But imagine if that cafe is always full of people, not empty, always full of people. Surely, certainly, it is a good one. It must be a good one because it is empty. It is full. But this cafe is empty. 0 person sit in the cafe. So it can't be a good one. It's not a good one. Negative. It can't be a good one. Negative. Okay. All right. Now let's take number 5. Tom studies from 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. for 4 hours. From 8 to 12. Okay. All right. Now, at this moment, it is 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. Now, it is 10. Now it is 10 o'clock. He be at school. He be at home. Very simply, he must be at school because now it is 10. Okay, it is 10 and we said he studies from 8 to 12. From 8 to 12. Now it is 10, so he is at school. He is at home? No, he is not at home. He can't be at home. Why he can't be at home? Very simply, because it is 10 o'clock and he is studying. He must be studying. So he must be at school. Now it is 10 o'clock. He is at school. He must be at school and he can't be at home. We are sure, 100% sure, because we know that he studies from 8 to 12. This is a fact. The fact is that he studies from 8 to 12. So now it is 10 o'clock. He must be at school and he can't be at home. All right, this is all that I can say for today's episode. If you have any question or suggestion, don't hesitate to mention that in the comments. See you in another episode. Have a good time and goodbye.